God. So first you start out wondering, like I want to teach somebody how to do this. How do they do this? And if you figure out how to do this, then you can move on to that. So let's say that it's this. This is how you do this. This is how you do this. And that's the first step. Let's move on to the step 2. Okay, now once you've done this, then you need to move on to that. Once you've done that, so don't do that before you do this. First you do this, then you do that. And that way you're moving along, you've done this, now you're doing that. Let's go check out the other. And this is how you do the other. So we started with this, we moved to that, and now we've got the other. It sounds complicated when you first hear about it. You go, where do I even start? You start with this, and then you move on to that, and you end up with the other. So in this video, we've looked at how to do an instructional video on this, that, and the other. And once you do this, you move on to that, and then you move on to the other. Has this been helpful to you? I know it has for me, kind of helped clarify some things. And don't go in there, it stinks.